Camp 101, everything you need for planning your next camping trip. Camping is a great way to spend time alone or with a large group. Being in nature can be a very soothing and relaxing experience, and camping can offer that. If you are looking for tips on how to make your next trip a relaxing one, this video can help. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Pack a few shovels if there are children with you on your trip. Kids love nothing better than digging in the dirt, and having the right accessories is crucial. If you have room, bring a bucket too. The children will happily entertain themselves in the dirt while you unpack, set up camp and do everything that you need to do. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. Check the weather before leaving for your camping trip. The internet is a great resource for finding weather-related information for the area you will be camping in. If you have the correct weather information, you will be better prepared with proper equipment and clothing. You can make camping a fun and relaxing way to spend some time out in nature and enjoy all that it has to offer. Use the helpful tips shared in this video and you will have the time of your life next time you go on a camping adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.